Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to go ahead and be going over what you get when you spend over $300 on detailing products. Behind me I have the VVashAutoCare kit. It's $300 marked at, so you can go ahead and add taxes and shipping, and it comes a little bit over $300. So we're going to go ahead and go over which one you get, as well as my personal opinion on these products. I've been using their product for over 2 months now and I've been loving it. So again, I don't actually support any products or anything at all, any company that I don't actually use and enjoy myself. So again, I'm supporting them because they are amazing and I really love their products. Alright guys, so when you go ahead and get the products, they actually all come separated like this. There's no ever leaks on any of the products I've ever gotten. So that's really good. They're really good sealed and they come in a really nice bottle. As well as when they come, they're separated from the nozzle itself. And as you guys can go ahead and see, this is actually my third bottle. This is amazing. I've been loving them. I've been loving this freaking wheel cleaner. Honestly, it keeps my wheels looking fabulous, as well as when I use it on different cars I've been using, the Camaro SS, as well as a couple of the cars I've been detailing. It's just been killing it. And I've been loving it so much that I've actually included it in the giveaway that I'm doing. The giveaway ends October 25th, 2019. It depends on when you're actually watching this video. But go ahead and enter it. I'm actually giving away over $150 worth of detailing products, and this is actually one of them. Again, I love it and I highly support this product. That's why I'm giving it away to you guys, because I trust it. As well as with the wheel cleaner, there are a couple other products here that will be included in the giveaway. So I'll go ahead and just let you know when I pull it out, basically. So that way you guys know exactly what's in the giveaway from this item. I am going to be giving away a foam cannon as well. It's not included in this package, as you guys can go ahead and see, but it is included in the giveaway. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and start from the left to the right. Right here we have the 200 gram clay bar. Actually, I have not used this, but I'm looking forward to actually really using this. This is one of the only products I have not used out of this bunch, but I've heard great things, so I'm looking forward to actually using it when I go ahead and detail the next car, when I go ahead and actually have to wax it and everything else. The next item we have is the microfiber. It actually comes with 3 of them. They're relatively good size and they feel amazing, honestly. They're really thick and they feel really good, and it picks up a lot of the grime that you want to go ahead and pick up when using your microfibers. These are actually some of the best microfibers I've actually felt personally. They feel really good in your hands, and overall, again, they pick up the grime that you want to pick up with. Then we have the carpet upholstery cleaner. It actually picks up a lot of grime when you're actually using it. I like to use it with a brush. The brush I use is a drill bit brush. When you actually go ahead and put the attachment onto a drill and you just go ahead and scrub it, it actually works really good when cleaning any of that stuff. It took off a lot of stains in my car, so I'm gonna go ahead and have to do a video on this, but it does work great. And then we have the interior cleaner. That's actually meant for the interior piecing itself. The upholstery and the cleaner, that's actually meant for, again, the upholstery. This is actually for the interior, like the plastic pieces and everything in your car. It actually makes them look nice and clean, especially when you use a little bristle brush and you go ahead and get in between the cracks and everything. It makes your car give it a nice little clean look. We're gonna go ahead and jump to the other side real quick, getting a little out of order. But we have the interior detailer. So once you're actually done cleaning it, go ahead and add the interior detailer, and then it'll leave your car looking nice and fresh. Alright guys, so back on this side we have the glass cleaner. The glass cleaner has been doing a great job in my personal opinion. It takes off a lot of those handprints, especially the greasy one with children in the back. It's kind of a pain when those handprints are all over the windows, but this glass cleaner does a great job of cleaning it. As well as when you're doing ceramic coating from Bosch, it actually recommends to go ahead and use the glass cleaner to take off anything. And the paint itself, this thing is honestly really strong, and you can go ahead and smell it when you actually open it. You can tell it's going to be really strong and take off any of that nasty grime that you want to get rid of. So sitting right next to the glass cleaner, we have the all-purpose cleaner. This is what you go ahead and apply, especially it's recommended, especially on those tires. So when you're going to go ahead and use the tires, it actually comes with the wheel cleaner kit, and that wheel cleaner kit is actually going to be included in the giveaway. So just go ahead and spray this around the tire itself, and go ahead and scrub it in and spray it off the pressure washer, and it leaves your tires looking really good, and it preps it ready for the tire shine. Next we have the Superior Shine. The Superior Shine is actually also going to be included in my giveaway, as well as 2 microfiber towels to go with it. And the Superior Shine honestly does a great job. I've been using it a lot lately, to be honest. Whenever I'm on my way to drive, and after I just finish detailing it, just throw on some Superior Shine on it, just to give it that extra gloss look to it, and make it look like a nice mirror. Then we have the actual application pad, as well as with the leather conditioner. So you go ahead and clean up your leather and go ahead and apply some leather conditioner to it after you're done cleaning it. Now jumping back onto this other side, we have the leather cleaner. So before you actually apply the conditioner, make sure you apply the leather cleaner. I've actually used this on my Camaro SS, and honestly it looked great after it, using it all over the leather, and made the SS symbol look beautiful on the leather seats itself. Now right down the middle we have the premium shampoo, and the premium shampoo does a great job to removing all that nastiness onto your paint. I've actually been using it right before I detail a car to remove any excess grease and everything on the paint itself. So it does great to remove all that. Now when you go ahead and remove it, it might leave it a little bit of dull look to it, but go ahead and throw some Superior Shine on top of it, or go ahead and use the wash and wax to it, and it actually leaves it looking great again. It just removes everything on top of it, so it's a great prep to detailing. So as we're talking about the shampoo, doing the pre-work to the actual detailing, it does a great job for that. So go ahead and apply some paint Superior Sealant. Super Sealant, man, I can't say that sometimes. The paint Super Sealant, Sealant. The paint Superior Sealant, go ahead and apply that afterwards and it does great. And we're going back to the wheel cleaner right here. This is one of my favorites. Honestly, if I had to pick any of these detailing products, the wheel cleaner is the best one for me. And I've been loving it. Again, I'm down, this is my fourth bottle. I just finished my third bottle. So this thing is amazing, honestly. Again, this is why it's included in the giveaway, because I trust it and I love it, and it's just been killing it. And sitting next to that one, we have the undercarriage spray. The undercarriage spray complements your undercarriage, obviously, as well as when you go ahead and use the wheel cleaner, making your wheels look nice and popping, looking shiny and everything like that. As well as when you put the tire shine on it, it makes everything look great. And what else to make it look perfect? Go ahead and apply some undercarriage spray to your undercarriage to make it look great. I don't know how many times I said undercarriage, but it's an undercarriage spray and it does great. So sitting next to the undercarriage spray, we have the interior detailer. The interior detailer, we already went through that one, as well as next to it we have the leather cleaner, as well as we already went through that one. So sitting last but not least, we have the tire shine, as well as with the little pad right here to go ahead and apply it. The tire shine, honestly, I was actually really surprised on the product. I've been using Armor All for a really long time. I used Black Magic for a little bit as well. And those were basically those really well-known tire shining companies to use, as well as I was just really kind of, I don't know, I mean, I didn't really trust it. I was kind of trying it, but it actually did a really great job. I actually take my car for around 3-hour drive, and I'm adding around 300 miles to the car from work because it's a 3-hour drive, and from where I rent out, it's another hour going back and forth every day to go ahead and get to work from where I live. So when I actually got back home, I was actually amazed because my whole entire car was completely dust and covered in bugs. And I looked at those wheels and I was actually really surprised that the tire shine was actually holding up very well. It looked like I just washed it, and I was actually really amazed on how well it kept up. So the tire shine, as well as this pad, is gonna go ahead and be included in my giveaway, like I said earlier. And I have the whole entire kit that's included in my giveaway. And this actually does a great job. I was actually really psyched for this because this is the reason why I actually picked up the kit itself, was because of how it's shaped and it's perfect. You go ahead and just spray it onto your tire or onto the pad itself, and you can go ahead and just go around the entire rim, and it does perfect. So you go ahead and see the actual curve itself. So now we have the actual mitt. This is actually the last item itself. That was the last bottle, but this is the last item right here. Now this is actually a great one. I was actually really surprised. It's actually the softest one I've ever felt in my life, honestly. The only thing is, once you let it dry, it is kind of rough inside, but it's something, you know, you're just spraying it back down. It's kind of like a chamois. You go ahead and spray it back down again, and it's good to go. But honestly, again, this is like the softest one, and actually you can go ahead and just see how fuzzy it is. It's a little dry because this is actually the one I've been using, but honestly, it's amazing. I used it today. That's kind of why it looks like this. Now again, I don't support any detailing company or any company at all that I don't use their products and appreciate myself and go ahead and continuously use them. If I don't do that, then I'm not gonna go ahead and share it with you guys and actually be this excited to share it with you, because honestly, $300 seems like a lot, but as you guys can go ahead and see, you're getting your bang for your buck, and it does great. Honestly, this bottle of wheel cleaner right here, again, I can't stop talking about it because I love it so much. That little bottle is not gonna be enough because you're gonna go ahead and fall in love with it, and you're gonna go ahead and wanna pick up a gallon. Myself, I need to pick up a gallon. I just been buying bottle by bottle, but you know what? It's coming. I'm gonna go ahead and order myself a gallon today probably. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, go ahead and be sure to enter that giveaway. I have over $150 worth of detailing products that I'm giving away to help you guys out. So without further ado, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys. Shout out to Sarah, who's standing behind the camera for me. So again, peace out, guys. See you in the next one.